Unfortunately, hindi siya kasha sa rack. So, we're going to buy another TV rack. One of the reasons why tinatanong yung country is because the time zone. Good morning! Welcome back to our channel. My name is Tim. So, today po, i-unbox po natin tong brand new na nag-sale nung December 12. Actually, nag-sale siya from December 12 to December 20 if I'm not mistaken po. This is an exclusive from Lazada. It's the Coocaa 4K TV, which is manufactured by Skyworth. So, alam ko naman very familiar kayo sa Skyworth. So, one of the reasons po na binili ko to, this is a gift for myself and my family kasi sayang kasi yung plan namin sa Netflix tsaka sa ibang video apps, streaming apps. Kasi ang plan namin sa Netflix is the highest one, which is the UHD plan. Eh sayang, yung isang TV namin, ang kaya lang niya is hanggang 1080p. So, nag-decide ako na mag 4K na. Tsaka, mura. Yun. So, mas mura dahil in some ways po, nung I was browsing sa between Shopee and Lazada, and then I saw some other TVs na 4K, more than 25K na sila, more than 30K, and just 50 inches. So, nung nakita ko ito nag-sale sa 12.12, then nilagay ko muna siya sa cart. Tapos, nagmura naman siya kasi from 28,000, naging 16.5 na lang. I have a voucher for that. So, hindi ko na anantay na i-deliver today. Ginawa ko, pinick up ko na lang sa delivery hub since alam ko baka mahirapan sila pumasok dahil naka-lockdown ngayon dito sa Pampanga. So, it's the reason why. So, here we go. We're going to unbox it now. So, ayan, we're going to start unboxing. I have my assistant here. Actually, assistant ko na siya sa lahat. Lahat po ng ina-unbox ng nanay niya. Lahat po ng ina-unbox po namin. May kasama ko lagi siya. What's this?
TV.
Yeah, okay.
Sira.
Nasira yung TV.
I have Papa. You have Papa. You open.
You open it. Hirap. So, makikita nyo, very intact siya. Ang lalaki ng mga staples. So, dito natin makikita kung gaano ka-secure ang ginawa ng fulfillment team para ma-pack tong TV to. Wow, very secure.
Nahihirapan si Oriel mag-open. Nahihirapan ka? Dahan-dahan, careful ha.
Yan. So, yan na po. Malapit na po. So, ayun. Meron silang sticker na nilagay dito from the carrier. It says here, disinfected and sanitized. Meaning, when they get this to deliver or na-transfer to from other distribution center, naka-disinfect na ito at sanitize. So, it's really safe.
Or yun ang ginagawa mo. Tapos si Papa.
So, yan. There you go. So, the model is 53S Coocaa. Orion, dito ka muna. Dito ka. So, yun na po. We're starting to unbox it now. Sobrang secured po ng kahon, mga guys. Dahil, I think they really secured this tightly for your...
Wow!
Okay. Kasama po natin yung stand dun sa TV. So, we got two. Wow, this is one of the best controllers that I've seen so far in a smart TV. So, yan po. So, makikita nyo, there's Netflix, there's YouTube, There's Amazon Prime Video.
Parang kagaya ng Roku.
Yeah, and there's the menu app. So there. And the good thing about this is nakita ko may libre siyang battery because some TVs don't usually give out batteries for free. So that's a good thing for Coocaa. Okay, so next we have the startup guide. May letter pa po ang Coocaa natin. My dear friend, Coocaa is here. The best has yet to come. Thank you for choosing Coocaa. Alright. And, hindi ko alam kung ano tong QR code na to, pero sabi niya, scan it for surprise. Sabi niya ganyan. Ewan ko.
Baka may price.
Check ko na lang mamaya. So, here's the warranty certificate. 2 years warranty. 15 days of free exchange for any factory defect. So that's good. That's one thing na talagang hahanapin mo sa isang TV dahil kailangan kompleto ka sa papers when it comes to replacing it just in case. So yan, I'm going to get it now sa box. Titignan na natin yung size niya. And then I'm going to screw the handle below. Ayun, so sabi nga surprise kanina doon sa letter, no? Oo nga, no, surprise nga, sabi kanina. Baka nga surprise. So, I'm going to get it now dito sa box. So, unti-untiin na po natin. Let's see the size of this giant. Kailangan kong makunin.
Wow! It's so big!
So, there. Ay, sobrang secured niya po, mga guys. So, there are 2 soft foams here that really secured the layers of the TV. So, this is really something. So, ayun. On the next on this video, I'll go ahead and install the handle na. And at the same time, we're going to test it. Okay? So, ayun, na-set up na po natin yung stand niya. Unfortunately, hindi siya kasha sa rack. So, we're going to buy another TV rack. Hindi pa namin papa-wall mount kasi lilipat kami dun sa bago namin bahay. So, for now, our setup is going to be the TV rack. So, ito na. I turned on the TV. We're going to set it up. So, this is the welcome screen. Welcome. And then this is the remote na napaka-functional. So, ayan. So, we press on OK. Set language to English. So, home. Accept. So, ayan, we're going to select the country in where we're located. So, one of the reasons why tinatanong yung country is because the time zone. Very important because when you connect to the internet, it's going to follow, nag-hatching pong assistant kong isa, it's going to follow the time zone of the internet. So, that's very important. So, we choose Philippines. So, nasan tayo? Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. So, of course.
Sabi mo sige, nasa tayo.
Nasa tayo. Luzon, Visayas, at
Mindanao.
Luzon, galing. Okay. So, natin tayo. NCR, car, Central Luzon. Okay. Pati yung exact location, alam. Oh, very good.
Eh, kung itry mo kaya yung NCR, same lang na.
Same lang.
Isa lang yung time zone ng Philippines.
So, what's the month? It's auto. Yeah, auto na lang natin. So, red, the agreement, click on next. Wireless network tayo, guys. So, it's going to detect now the Wi-Fi connection that we have. So, ayun, dalawa. So, ito yung sa atin. Connecting to the Wi-Fi. So, ayun, na-connect na po natin siya sa wireless connection natin. So, we're going to try Netflix. Nag-automatic siya sa Netflix. So, we're going to connect through Netflix now and see. Yung volume. Bilis. Very responsive po yung remote, mga kaibigan.
Netflix is home to unlimited.
Wow!
So are we going to use the soundbar? Magsa-soundbar ka pa dyan.
Yeah, sa soundbar ko naman. Go. Okay, so Netflix po has been set up. If you're going to see the screen, 4K na 4K po siya. Sobrang crystal clear po ng screen. So we're going to try one 4K video and see.
Syempre, K-drama.
Tingnan na natin yung mga English, ano. Let's say for example, yung medyo, ano ka. Tingnan natin yung mga 4K na, ano na. Let's say, Jumanji. Try po natin siya. Wow.
Pero I don't think mag-4K siya sa camera.
Hindi talaga. Yung pag-capture yun.
So, imagine nyo na lang, 4K yung pinapanood ninyo. Pero kami, 4K yung nakikita namin.
Ayaw. 4K. Fast forward natin. Yes. Oo nga ba. So,
Wow, it's so realistic. No?
oo.
Parang realistic na siya.
So yun, this ends the video unboxing for the Coocaa 53SN 4K TV. So if you want a gift for your loved ones, for yourself, or for your family, you can purchase this affordable 4K TV online in Lazada. So yun, thank you so much for watching our video today. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and comment or suggest or any kind of suggestions that you would want for our video today. Thank you so much, and Merry Christmas.